Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can insert checkboxes in your Excel sheet. This can help you with a lot of different tasks when you're using Excel. Like here in this case, I have a simple to-do list where I can replace the completed and pending column with my checkboxes. Or here in this sheet, I have an attendance sheet where I can replace the attendance data with checkboxes as well. To get the checkboxes on your Excel cells, all you have to do is go click on the developer option in your ribbon. Click on Insert and click on the checkbox option. You can now drag the checkbox anywhere you like in your cell. Once you're here, you can also edit the text on your checkbox. You can go ahead and delete it and you can say present, for example, and you can click out. As you can see, you now have a checkbox that says present. You can now select the cell, copy it and paste it across all the cells that you need the checkbox in. Now, instead of having to type present and absent, you can just go ahead and tick all the employees that are present. And of course, you can do the same for the to-do list as well. But you might be wondering, after you filled up an entire column of attendance for the 9th of April, when you come into the 10th of April, there is a chance where you accidentally click on one of these previous days columns and change the attendance data. To avoid this, you can use the lock cells and protect sheet function, which you can learn from this video right here. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Excel tutorials. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.